Let me tell you a story that really broke my heart. There was this girl I had been following for a while. She worked super hard on her YouTube channel, like really hard. She made videos all the time, stayed consistent, and finally, after grinding through the long hours, it happened. She got monetized. That's the dream, right? Hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is no small task. It's the moment you finally start to feel like all the work was worth it. But not long after that, she sent me a message that made my stomach drop. She had just been demonetized. I could feel her pain through the screen. All that effort, and now it was like she was pushed back to square one. It made me realize that a lot of small creators might not know about the things that can get their channel demonetized, even after reaching all the goals. So today I want to share some of the most common mistakes that can get your channel demonetized. And I'm not sharing this to scare you, but to help you protect what you've worked so hard to build. If you're doing any of these things, please stop now, because I don't want you to go through what that girl went through. 1. Hate speech and inciting violence. YouTube has really strict rules when it comes to spreading hate. If your videos include anything that promotes hate toward a race, religion, gender, or group of people, YouTube will shut it down fast. Sometimes people get carried away, especially when talking about politics. But getting too emotional and saying the wrong things can easily turn into content that spreads hate or encourages violence. And YouTube won't just delete your video. They might take away your monetization, or worse, your whole channel. 2. Putting children in unsafe situations. This one is tricky, but super important. If your videos include kids, especially your own, make sure they're safe. You might be vlogging at home and not notice your child in the background climbing on something dangerous or playing with sharp objects. Even showing your child partially undressed can lead to trouble. You might think it's innocent, but YouTube takes child safety very seriously. If they think your content puts a child in danger, you could lose your monetization in a second. 3. Changing your AdSense info without knowing the rules. Here's something many people don't think about. If you move to another country or change the name on your AdSense account without following the proper steps, YouTube might demonetize you. Yes, there are ways to fix it, but it's a long, frustrating process. So if everything is already working fine, your payments are coming in and your name matches your account, just leave it. Don't fix what isn't broken. 4. Buying views, likes, or comments, spam behavior. This one is super tempting, especially when your views are low and you feel stuck. You might get emails from people promising to boost your channel overnight. They say they'll give you more likes, views, or subscribers. But here's the thing. YouTube's algorithm is smart. If it figures out that a lot of new creators mess this up. If you keep getting these strikes and ignore the warnings, YouTube will stop paying you. They might even take away your ability to make money at all. The girl I told you about at the beginning, this is what happened to her. She was using other people's content too often. It looked cool. It helped her grow fast, but in the end, it cost her everything. If you want to use someone else's content, make sure it's truly transformed. Add your own voice, your own ideas, your own editing. Make it yours. Otherwise, you're just taking someone else's work. Look, I get it. Growing a YouTube channel is hard. You pour your time, energy, and heart into it. So it's only fair that you get to enjoy the rewards once you hit monetization. But if you make one of these mistakes, you might lose everything you work for. And trust me, that pain hits deep, especially when it could have been avoided. So please protect your channel. Don't rush for views. Don't cut corners. Build your channel the right way and the rewards will come.